In this lesson, we're going to talk about piecewise functions and how to graph them. We're also going to talk about step functions. In our first example, we're going to be evaluating a piecewise function. It says evaluate f of x when x equals -1, x equals 1, and x equals 3. So a function of -1 equals -1 is less than 0, so it's going to be our first equation, 2x plus 3. So I'm going to plug it in -1. So 2 times -1 is -2 plus 3. So we have 1. So function -1 equals 1. It's the first one. B, our function of 1 equals 1's in between 0 and 2. So this equals 2. So that's as far as we can go. So function of 1 equals 2. We have C, with a function of 3 equals -x plus 1. So we have -3 plus 1 equals -2. The function of 3 is -2. That is how you evaluate a piecewise function. Now we will be graphing piecewise functions. What I like to do is I like to look at what x could be. So I see x could be 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the two functions. So we have function 1 is -x, and function 2 is 2/3 x minus 4. So we have a function of 3, -3, function of 3 equals 2 over 3, 3 minus 4. So I have one function solved, and that is 3, -3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now as I open and close, it is closed because we're dealing with an equal sign, less than or equal to. So it is closed. Now our other function, 2/3 times 3, is going to get you 2 minus 4 equals -2. So 3, -2. Now this is no equal sign, so it is open. Now, what I then do is I try to solve for x for one other problem. So our first function, we have x has to be less than or equal to 3, so 0 is a good number. So function of 0 equals 0. So 0, 0. So on this, it's solid, so I connect it. It's going to the left because it's less than. And we have greater than 3, so let's just do 4. So the function, let's do 5, equals 2 over 3, 5 minus 4. 2 over 3 times 5 is going to be 3.3 repeating, minus 4. We have -2 over 3, or -0.6 repeating. So 5, 3, 4, 5. Here. Draw equation to the right, because we're greater than. That's how you graph piecewise functions. Next, we're going to be graphing step functions. When I'm graphing step functions, it's going to be made up of different line segments. The number of line segments is the number of functions. So we're going to have 3 steps. Now, it's told us -2, -4, -6 are on this. Now, that's going to be our y's. What are going to be our x's that fall into that range? Well, -2 can go from 0 to 2. So -2. Now the 0 is the equal sign. So we have solid. Our 2 is not equal. So we go to open for 2. And our next one is -4. 2's equal. So it's closed. 4 is open. So 2 is closed. 4 is open. And for -6, 4 is closed. 6 is open. So if we look at our graph, we now have steps or step functions. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.